What's up, ladies and gentlemen of Truckers Wall Shame on Chain? I'd like to give all my fellow drivers out there a friendly reminder that there are identifying features on a roadway that will let you know that you're going the wrong way into traffic. For example, at an on-ramp, there are supposed to be signs that say wrong way, big red square boxes that say going wrong way. Another great example of identifying features is the fact that the yellow line will be on your right side and the white line will be on your left side if you're going the wrong direction. But let me give you guys a perfect example of why English proficiency is so important in trucking. Both these truck drivers are foreign truck drivers. Neither one of them could read or speak the English language, yet here they are going the wrong way down the interstate. Guys, pay attention to your surroundings and don't drive like an idiot. Safety first, those highways and byways. We're back to the wheels, 73s.